Welcome, beauties! Today, we're diving into the world of makeup basics. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, mastering these fundamental techniques is key to creating flawless looks every time. So grab your brushes and let's get started. First up, let's talk about foundation. Foundation is the base of any makeup look, providing an even canvas for the rest of your products. Choose a shade that matches your skin tone and apply it evenly using a brush, sponge, or your fingers. Blend it seamlessly into your skin, focusing on areas where you need extra coverage. Next, let's tackle concealer. Concealer is your secret weapon for covering imperfections like blemishes, dark circles, and redness. Apply it sparingly to problem areas, then blend it out with a brush or sponge for a natural finish. Don't forget to set your concealer with a translucent powder to prevent creasing and ensure long-lasting coverage. Now, let's move on to brows. Well-groomed brows frame your face and can make a huge difference in your overall appearance. Use a brow pencil, pomade, or powder to fill in any sparse areas, then brush through them with a spoolie to blend and soften the color. Finish off with a clear brow gel to lock them in place all day. On to eyeshadow. Eyeshadow is where you can really get creative and play with different colors and textures. Start with a neutral base shade all over your lid to create a smooth canvas. Then, add depth and dimension with darker shades in the crease and outer corner of your eye. Blend, blend, blend for a seamless transition between colors. Now, let's talk about eyeliner. Eyeliner can define your eyes and add drama to any look. Whether you prefer pencil, gel, or liquid, the key is to start thin and build up the intensity gradually. Use short, feathery strokes to create a smooth line along your lash line. And don't forget to wing it out for a flirty finish. And don't forget the lash curler. This simple tool can make a big difference in opening up your eyes and making your lashes appear longer and more lifted. To use it, simply position the curler at the base of your lashes, gently squeeze, and hold for a few seconds. Then release and repeat on the other eye for a wide-eyed look. Remember, makeup is a skill, and it's okay if you don't get it right the first time around. Keep practicing, and you'll get there. Before we wrap up, let's talk about proper makeup removal. It's essential to remove your makeup at the end of the day to avoid clogged pores and breakouts. Use a gentle cleanser or micellar water to effectively remove all traces of makeup, followed by your regular skincare routine. And there you have it, Makeup Basics 101. With these foundational techniques mastered, you'll be ready to tackle any makeup look with confidence. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to join the Beauty Babe community. Have a beautiful day!